Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga, and today is my anniversary. It's my 3-month post-op from left total knee replacement. I had it done on September 18th, and today is December 18th. And I have not posted on YouTube for a month. I posted last at my 2-month post-op, and so a lot has happened in the past month. About 3 weeks ago, I was released from physical therapy in Minneapolis with Twin Cities Orthopedics, and Shania, my physical therapist, measured me at about 123 degrees of flexion and 0 extension. So that is kind of the minimum they like to see you get, or it's a good number to graduate from physical therapy, but I was not pleased with that. I really wanted to get more. So I was hoping to continue to work really hard on the bending of my knee. So I have been very diligent with that for the past 3 weeks. And I believe made another 10 degrees of flexion within that time. Now, I don't have a physical therapist down here in Florida, which is where I'm at right now, to measure that for me, but I have an app on my phone. It's an angle measuring app, and you take a picture of your bend, and then you download a little angle tool, and it measures the flexion for you. So I have been doing that myself, and I also have some friends on my knee replacement support group on Facebook, and they have angle measurement apps on their phone. They've been measuring it for me, and it looks like I have between 132 and 135 degrees of flexion. So Shania told me that I had about 4 to 6 weeks maybe to improve what I had about 3 weeks ago. So I'm continuing to work on it really hard. Maybe I'll get a little bit more as time goes, so we'll see. I've also been working really hard on strengthening. So we made a trip down to Florida about a week and a half ago. We packed up the car, the cat, and I was a little bit nervous about that long drive because it's 3 days on the road, 2 nights, and I was able to elevate my leg on the dashboard, get out of the car from time to time, walk around, and my knee did fantastic. I was so happy with it. So we got down here, we're getting settled in, and I'm going to the YMCA in Oviedo to work on the bike, to work on some strength training, because I want to be really strong in time to go to England in 2 months to meet my new grandson, Sydney. So I'm very excited about that. It's a long flight. I'm gonna be there for about 2 weeks, so I'm doing everything I can to have myself as healthy as possible. I would say my only complaint right now is that I still have a fair amount of swelling in my knee, a lot of inflammation, especially at the end of the day. I get a lot of swelling down in my lower leg. It gets really puffy. It turns red. I can see the difference in the color of my legs. The swelling is there. So I'm really dealing with that. I've been elevating every night. I sleep with my leg completely out straight and elevated. And that does help, but just temporarily. I ice through the day, I move, and all of those are good things for inflammation. I've been working with the physician's assistant to try some different anti-inflammatories. I've been on Celebrex now for a couple of weeks. Haven't been seeing a lot of improvement, so we're gonna try one more round of the prednisone and see how that does for me. I had good luck with it the last time I tried it, but then the swelling came right back and the inflammation came right back. So he said, let's just try it one more time and see how it goes. So I'm gonna start that tomorrow, and I'm hoping that that will be the ticket. So I have started teaching my online Lisa Bug classes. I started with yoga last Thursday. I had a nice group of people on live with me. We had a great class. The theme of our yoga class was patience, which I have been lacking a little bit of with this knee replacement. So I'll be teaching yoga on Thursdays. On Jitsi is the platform I use at 9 o'clock Central Time. And then next month in January, I'm gonna add back in another class that I call Mind Body Blend. It's a fusion of Tai Chi to warm up. Then we do strength training for upper and lower body. We combine basic core work and Pilates with balance, flexibility, and we roll it all together. It's a great class. So that'll be on Tuesdays at 9 Central Time. starting in January. So I'm really happy that I've gotten, I'm out of the woods with the hardest part of this surgery and just trying to increase my strength, increase my flexion, decrease my inflammation and swelling. I've also been trying some different foods that are high on the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, like turmeric and cloves and a few other foods like that. So hopefully that will help as well. So that's how things are going here in Florida. I hope everybody else is doing great. Thank you so much for following along with me on this journey. I've made so many wonderful friends that have had knee replacements. We're a great support for one another. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you. So I will probably post at 4 months post-op. So until then, happy holidays, and I'll see you next time. Take care.